Meaning of eroticism.
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 Eroticism. Eroticism is a concept related to sexual desire and pleasure, often associated with the exploration of sensuality and intimacy. It involves the stimulation of the senses, emotions, and imagination to create a feeling of intense physical and emotional pleasure. Erotic experiences can involve a range of activities, including physical touch, visual stimuli, and verbal communication. Overall, eroticism is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that can enhance relationships, promote self-expression, and provide individuals with a sense of excitement and fulfillment.